So we're heading to Chinook. Kasi bibili daw yung mga bata ng iPad. Mag-pray muna, Dexa. Nauna na to ang kanilang tempura. Mag-pray muna kayo. Nandito kami ngayon sa ramen and sushi restaurant after the massage. Okay. Mag-pray. Sino mag-pray? Okay, let's pray. Favorite to ni Dexa, California rolls. Ano naman to, Dexy?
This is their crunch.
Crunch something?
Crunch and lunch.
Okay.
Crunch and lunch roll.
Tonkotsu na fresh. Kasi marami tayong tonkotsu sa bahay na nakalagay lang sa karton. Ano naman yan sa'yo, Daddy? Anong ramen yan?
Yung pizza.
Dexy, ano sa'yo? Shoyu ramen. Ayan yung shoyu nila dito. Ayan siya. Si kay Daddy naman. Ay, hindi ko na nakita yung plating nila kay Daddy. And si Dexa, ayan, kumakain na ng kanyang California rolls. Kain muna kami. Ayan, enjoy guys. 91.61. Yan, sulit naman kasi tinan nyo naman ang mesa at tinan nyo ang tiyan niya. Lumaki ang tiyan niya. Masarap nga naman. Di na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi kinain na namin yung food. Okay, let's go to Chinook. Okay, what's your comment? Ayun, nag-away pa ba talaga? Ha? Okay, let's go. This is from Mommy, guys. Ayan. Ayan.
No, this is for
Surprise.
the iPad.
Yeah. How many hundreds? You say thank you. 500s. Ayan. Ang bibilin daw nilang iPad is mga 1,500 din. So, yun. Mag-aabono pa pala ako na 1,000. Say thank you, Mami Yen. I will send this one to Mami Yen. Say thank you, Dexa. Ang gulo na ni Dexa. Ayan, nandito kasi kami sa Molte. Ayan, ibibili na namin ng kanilang iPad. Sa Apple. Okay. May share yung dalawa. It's regarding pa din sa birthday nila.
This is all the money we got.
Yeah,
from
from a cash gift. Yan.
Look, where's my money?
Okay.
All in there.
765. Sa cash money gift nung nakuha nila nung birthday nila. Thank you guys for your love sa dalawa. So they will buy their iPad. So share na sila dito sa iPad. Say thank you again, guys. Thank you, mga ninong-ninang.
I have modeling next week, the show.
Okay. Thank you, Ninang and Ninong, for the cash gifts. Okay, let's buy. Come on. Masyadong malaki daw yung ganitong inches pala. Kaya gusto nila na yung mas maliit lang. Dexa, you go here, Dexa. Oh. Here lang, Dexa. Here. Like this lang, Dexa. Yan. So, mga ganyan. Ito din, oh, may puti dito na bata. You want that? Okay, hi. Yeah. No, Dexa, here. You can play here. What application is that? You can ask.
I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah. What app? Okay.
I'm doing drawing that.
Yeah.
Gonna play too.
Yeah. Ayan. So, what? What's their decision?
I can hold up pictures.
Yun na? Yes.
Dexa's happy because she wants to draw. I love
Okay.
drawing so much.
Sige.
The iPad and the Apple Pencil.
Ayan, ang kanilang new iPad.
iPad, Apple Pencil too.
Apple Pencil 2. Yeah! Nako, magkano ang ginastos nyo? Kasi magkano lang yung money nyo?
2,000.
Really? You end up like that? O magkano lang yung money nyo? Ako pa nag-abono.
Yeah, 1,000 something. Yeah.
1,200. So, 2,000 yan. So, it means
700 kilometers, Daddy.
what?
Thank you, honey. Love you,
Te, 2,000 to.
Mommy.
Ako pa nag-abono. Kuha na sila ng iPad kasi nasira nga naman yung iPad nilang dati.
And
Okay.
I think 4 years din.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because I got that when I turned, no, 3 years.
Okay.
I got it when I turned.
So, mag-count tayo ng 3 years yan. 3 to 4 years dapat yan, ha? Para masulit natin. Okay. Happy new iPad, guys! Dexa, we have a new iPod. New iPod. Say thank you. Dito pala kami kumain kanina. Ayan, dito yan sa Shinok. Ramen and sushi. Yan, so ito na yung Shinok Mall. Bumili yung mga bata ng kanilang bagong iPad. Yan sa mga ibang malls, pero dito talaga yung Apple Store. Lamig! Biglang, lumamig. I need some water, Daddy, please. Thank you. Before you will close that one. Okay.